What's up, guys? B-Rob here, and today I'm going to discuss 3 top benefits of glutamine for muscle building. I'll be right back. So glutamine is one of the most significant amino acids inside your body. It has so many benefits that it's almost impossible to list them all here. So with this video, I'm just going to focus on the 3 top reasons why glutamine supplementation is so important, especially for athletes and bodybuilders. You guys have seen me do a review on it. I'll make sure that pops up here. And I do want you to make sure that you get your doctor's approval before you use supplements. Number 1, glutamine synthesis and translocation. So I always get amazed by this process, and every time I try to explain it, I see people's eyes glaze over. So don't feel bad if you don't get it, but here's my best attempt at explaining how this works. The nitrogen atom of glutamine is removed from the amino acid and used to produce other substances such as glucose, which is also sugar, or glutamic acid. This takes place inside the cells of your kidneys as well as the liver. Glutamine has a significant role in protein synthesis, which is muscle building, and nitrogen transport because it releases nitrogen that is stored in the muscle cells, thus boosting protein synthesis. It also transports nitrogen into muscle cells during high rates of protein catabolism, where it usually breaks down. Number 2 is glutamine enhances muscle mass gain. How is that? Glutamine's anti-catabolic properties are believed to be the key factor behind increasing lean body mass and decreasing muscle breakdown after intense workouts. Glutamine's anti-catabolic effects are, at least in part, mediated by the actions of insulin and growth hormone, both of which stimulate glutamine uptake into skeletal muscle cells. During catabolism, which is also muscle breakdown, the body is constantly losing muscle mass due to stress put on your muscles. The more you work out, the higher this catabolic effect is. This ultimately slows your catabolic rate down and lowers your energy output. It's been shown that glutamine supplementation can lower this catabolic effect by up to 50%. So you will keep more muscle with glutamine. Number 3 is glutamine increases energy levels. Glutamine is also involved in the production of glucose within your body. Glucose is a rich source of energy, and the more you have available during workout, the better off you are. By supplementing with glutamine, one can easily increase their energy levels simply by improving the availability of glucose, aka sugar. So now I think you see why glutamine supplementation is so important for athletes and bodybuilders. These top 3 benefits clearly explain its popularity in many pre-workout and post-workout supplements. Plus, glutamine is not only beneficial to your muscles, but to other organs as well. We all know by now that it's important to do your best in order for you to achieve the results you're looking for. With all these benefits in mind, it's rather obvious why glutamine is so popular amongst a lot of athletes and bodybuilders. However, it's important that you always keep in mind that more doesn't always mean better. We all know that too much of anything can be bad for us, and glutamine is no exception. So there you have it. The 3 top benefits of glutamine for muscle building. I hope you enjoyed this video, and for more, you can reach out to me on social media. My Instagram is @thisisb_Rob, and reach out to me there. You go to my website and join my newsletter, thisisbrob.com. You also can send me a message through that too. If you follow me on social media, on Instagram, and your profile doesn't look so weird, or you're not weird, then I'll probably follow you back. Make sure you send me a message and let me know that you came from the channel. And when I see that message, I'll go ahead and follow you right back. Also, please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob.